सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम्। अद्यतनी कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 1970-चतुश्शततमी 1-417 or 469 the class today. 1-470 I said, that is how it is in Sanskrit. 1970-चतुश्शततमी कक्षा यत्र वयं भर्तृहरि महाकवेः सुभाषितानि पठन्तः अग्रेसरामः। गतकक्षा पर्यन्तं कति श्लोकाः श्रीनिवास? 16 श्लोकाः। षष्ठः श्लोकः पठितः गतकक्षायां। षष्ठश्लोक संबंधी अभ्यासः न कृतः, परन्तु अन्वयार्थः एव केवलम् आकांक्षा अन्वयार्थ समाप्तो आसीत्। अद्य पदार्थं दृष्ट्वा भावार्थं निदर्शनं व्याकरणांशान् पश्यामः। सर्वप्रथमं पदार्थं श्रीनिवास। यः सुधास्यन्दिभिः श्राविभिः सूक्तैः सुभाषितैः। सूक्तं नाम सुभाषितमेव, सूक्तिः सूक्तं सूक्तमिति। खलान् पथि। गतकक्षायां पथि शब्दस्य पतिन् शब्दस्य व्युत्पत्ति तत्र विभजन कीदृशी विभक्तिः विभक्तयः तत्र भवन्ति अस्माभिः पूर्णतः स्मारितं। नेतुं वाञ्छति कामयते इच्छति इति। असौ बालमृणालतन्तुभिः अति विसतन्तुभिः with very tender fibers of lotus stalks. व्यालं दुष्टगजं रोद्धुं बद्धुं बद्धुं तुमुन्नन्तं बन्ध धातु बद्धुं समुज्जृम्भते समीहते यतते कृतोत्साहो भवति यतते कृत उत्साहः कृतोत्साहो भवति इति। शिरीषकुसुम प्रान्तेन शिरीषाभिधस्य शिरीषनामकस्य पुष्पस्य अग्रभागेन शिरीषनामकस्य पुष्पस्य अग्रभागेन अभिधा नाम नाम शिरीषाभिधस्य पुष्पस्य अग्रभागेन इति। शिरीषकुसुम प्रान्तेन प्रान्त नाम अग्रभाग। वज्रमणिं हीरकं छेत्तुं भेत्तुं सन्नह्यते सम्यक् यतते नह्यति। मधुबिन्दुना मधुबिन्दुना मधुकणेन। क्षाराम्बुधेः लवणस्य समुद्रस्य लवणसमुद्रस्य इति साधु भवेत् इति। समुद्रस्य लवण न क्षाराम्बुधेः नाम लवणसमुद्रस्य इति। माधुर्यं मधुरतां स्वीट्नेस। रचयितुं to impart, that is the correct word. ईहते longs प्रयतते चेष्टते अथवा इच्छति इति। सो अत्र कोऽपि किमपि विशेषणं नास्ति। भावार्थं
अमृतमधुराभिः
सदुक्तिभिः
यः दुर्जनान्
सन्मार्गे प्रवर्तयितुं
प्रवर्तयितुं
चेष्टते।
सः जनः वस्तुतः कोमलकमलतन्तुभिः दुष्टगजं वशीकर्तुं प्रयत्नं करोति।
यदि कश्चित् पुरुषः यः कोऽपि पुरुषः दुष्टं जनम् अथवा दुष्टान् जनान् सन्मार्गे सतां मार्गे पति आनेतुं चेष्टते, यतते प्रयतते, इच्छां प्रकटयति, तर्हि तत् करणं कीदृशं कठिनम् अत्र कीदृशम् असम्भवम् इति। अमृत मधु सुधाभिः सदुक्तिभिः, अत्र सुभाषितं नाम अमृतम् इव भवति इति तत्र अभिप्रायः। यानि सुभाषितानि सन्ति तानि सर्वाण्यपि अमृततुल्यानि भवन्ति। अस्माभिः पठितं, श्रीनिवासः स्मर्यते, यु रिमेम्बर्? पृथिव्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि जलमन्नं सुभाषितं। गता recently I recalled it also. पृथिव्यां त्रीणि एव रत्नानि, जलम् अन्नं सुभाषितं। सो जलस्य यावती तत्र यावत् प्राधान्यं वर्तते, अन्नस्य यावत् प्राधान्यं वर्तते, सुभाषितस्यापि तावत् प्राधान्यं वर्तते. As much importance we human beings and all living beings have for the food and water, so much is there for human being, more equal status, equal importance is there for even Subhashita, good saying. See, Subhashitas are not meant for animals. Animals unfortunately are debarred from that. Only human beings, even among the human beings, how many can appreciate? That is a very different, because in the beginning only he said, Prabhavaha smaya dushitaha vidvamsa tatra. What we have studied, na? Jinamange subhashitam. What is the sloka? Beginning, na? Yatra kavi dikkalanantaram. बोद्धारो मत्सरग्रस्ताः प्रभवो स्मयदूषिताः. द्वितीय श्लोक. अबोधोपहताश्च अन्ये जीर्णवङ्गे सुभाषितमिति. भर्तृहरिणा द्वितीय श्लोके यः अभिप्रायः प्रकटितः व्यक्तीकृतः तत्र सुस्पष्टं वदति भर्तृहरिः. बोद्धारः विद्वांसः ये सन्ति मत्सर अहंकारग्रस्ताः सन्ति, प्रभवः स्मयदूषिताः, अबोधोपहताः अन्ये जनाः साधारणजनाः अज्ञानपीडिताः सन्ति. अतः सुभाषितं तत्र जीर्णं भवति, अङ्गे जीर्णमङ्गे सुभाषितमिति. अतः अतएव अमृतत्वं तत्र सुभाषितस्य कल्प्यते. The immortality is ascribed to the good saying. Amruta madhuravihi. Therefore it is said Amruta madhuravihi. Sweet like the nectar. Saduktivihi. Good sayings. Yaha, whichever person, yakkopi purushaha durjanan dustan sanmarge satam marge anetum pravartayitum anetum chestate prayatate. स जनः तादृश जनः पुरुषः वस्तुतः इन रियलिटी कोमल कमल तंतुभिः विद द टेंडर फाइबर्स ऑफ द लोटस दुष्ट गजम mighty intoxicated elephant वशीकर्तुं प्रयत्नं करोति. It is like trying to arrest an intoxicated elephant by means of the most delicate threads of these. So it is almost impossible. या अनन्तरं पठतु. श्रीसाक्ष्य कुसुमस्य. So पुनः it is also as impossible as like a person trying to cut the diamond by means of the edge of the most delicate flower, that is called Sirisha. Apicha moreover pratibhati. So the So Bhavartha says it looks, pratibhati means it looks as if such a person is trying to convert the entire salty ocean by means of one sweet drop or one drop of madhu. Madhu means honey also. Ekena madhubinduna sarvam tatra kshara samudram tatra maduram madhuri kartum. We can combine this into madhuri kartum. Maduram kartum nama madhuri kartum vanchati iti bhati. It looks like it is, which is impossible. So asambhavam etat iti abhipraya. Asambhavam etat sarvam iti abhipraya. Asambhavam etat sarvam iti abhipraya. This is all impossible. So we can never and ever convert the fools, the obstinate fools, or the rogues here, dusta, the bad people. We can never make them come on to the path of the good people. If we try, we are fools. That is what he means to say. So English translation may be good. We are only to bring wicked people to the good path, not good path, to the path of the good. It should be not good path, to the path of the good people. That would be better. Only one. Others, okay. Then Srinivas Nidarshanam. There is one more English change may be required. Last fourth line, with the edge of Sirisha flower and desiring or desires to give, not give, impart is better. Impart, better word in English is impart sweetness in the salty ocean with a drop of honey. To impart sweetness to the salty ocean, not in the salty, whatever it is. Nidarshanam Srinivas. Vyakaranamsha sandhihi sandhidvayam tantubirasau. असौ तन्तुभिः. तन्तु शब्दः कः अन्तः तत्र? तन्तु कथमस्ति तन्तु शब्दः? अकारान्त वा ऋकारान्त वा इकारान्त वा? तन्तुः उच्चारणेन उकारान्तः. को वा शब्दः? उकारान्तः अस्माभिः पठितः पूर्वं. गुरुः अथवा शम्भुः. शम्भुः. गुरुः गुरु गुरवः. गुरुं गुरु गुरून्. गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः तन्तुभिः. तन्तुभिः. नो संस्कृत श्लोक पठन समये प्रत्येकं तत्र पदं यत् वर्तते तत् तस्य समग्र ज्ञानम् आवश्यकं. समग्रेण ज्ञानेन यदि पठ्यते तर्हि श्लोकः सुलभरीत्या अवगम्यते. So it is understood easily if you understand every word with its vibhakti, applying the vibhakti knowledge. Okay, then we go to the next. Ksharambudherihate.
Kshara plus ambudhehe plus ihate.
So, and visarga. Kshara plus ambudhehe ihate. Samasaha chatvarah. Sudhasyandibihi.
Sudham syandante tachiladi sudhasyandini taihi sudhasyandubihi.
Syandibihi tutiya tatpurusha. Sudham, amrutam, sudham syandante. They are releasing, dropping, oozing amruta. Tachilani, or having that quality. Sudhasyandini. So those, now this is an adjective to suktam, subhashitam. Sudhasyandini subhashitani. Kidrushani subhashitani? Yeshu subhashiteshu sudha syandyate. Subhashiteshu ka syandyate, sudha syandyate, amrutam syandyate. Amruta is oozed in the words of subhashita. When you listen to a subhashita, you say vareva, vah, what a nice way of saying. So that should come out. So that is why it is adjective is used like that. Sirisha kusuma prantena. शिरीषकुसुमस्य
प्रान्तः शिरीषकुसुमप्रान्तः तेन शिरीषकुसुमप्रान्तेन
हियर तृतीया तत्पुरुष हियर प्रान्तशब्दस्य अर्थः अग्रभागः इति प्रान्तः नाम अस्माकं तेलुगु प्रान्त इति न प्रान्तीय इति अग्रभागः इति शिरीषकुसुमस्य प्रान्तः नाम शिरीषकुसुमस्य अग्रभागः तेन प्रान्तेन इति एज् आङ्ग्लभाषायाम् एज् इति वयं कथयामः मधुबिन्दुना
मधोः बिन्दुः मधुबिन्दुः तेन मधुबिन्दुना षष्ठीकृतम्
with the drop of honey ksharambudihi
क्षारश्च असौ अम्बुदिश्च
ambudischa
क्षाराम्बुदिः कर्मधारय समासः तस्य क्षाराम्बुधिः
so ksharascha asau ambudischa ksharah salt ambudihi ocean ksharascha asau ambudischa ksharambudihi कर्मधारय तस्य क्षाराम्बुदिः षष्ठी इदानीं कृदन्ताः रोद्धुं रुध इति धातुः छेत्तुं छिद रचयितुं रच नेतुं नी सर्वे तत्र कृदन्ताः तुमन्ताः तद्धितान्त एक एव मधुरस्य भावः माधुर्यं मधुरश्यं ओके छन्दस् नौ शार्दूल विक्रीडितम now coming to शार्दूल विक्रीडितम which is a lengthy poem विद्यानाम नरस्य रूपम what we just recited is also शार्दूल विक्रीडितम 19 syllables will be there in each line 19 will be there so that is called शार्दूल विक्रीडितम it is like a शार्दूल means tiger's movement it runs like a tiger that is what they are supposed to be suryashvairyadi mahasajau satatagaha shardula vikritam so that is it shardula vikritam is this and further it is explained magada is a three I'm get a confusion here. This is what? Guru, na? Because I am used to different marking. That is Guru. Three Gurus, Magana. Manautu Guru Lagavam. We have to remember that. Adi Madhyavasaneshu Yarata Yanti Laghavam Bhajasa Gauravam Yanti Manautu Guru Lagavam. Magana is Guru, Sarva Guru, and Manau, Nagana is Sarva Lagu. So that is, then Magana is that, Sagana is Lagu Guru, Jagana is Lagu Guru Lagu, again Sagana Lagu Guru, Tagana is Guru Lagu, Tagana is Guru Lagu, again same, Guru is Guru, and that is. So if you count these Ganas, 3, 3, 3, 9, here, 9, 9, 18 and 1 Guru, 19. 19 letters are there, syllables. You can see that 6 ganas are there, 18 syllables, plus 1 Guru at the end. That is how it is. You can see that Vidyanama Narasya Rupam Adhikam Prachanna Guptam Dhanam. So like that if you count 19 syllables will come there. Okay, that we will do later. Kosha is coming, Srinivas. Vyala. This is Medini Kosha. Vyalo Dushta Gaje Sarpe. Medini. So this is not Amara Kosha. Medini Kosha is a different Kosha. So Vyala is also called Dushta Gaja and also Sarpa. Even a serpent is called Vyala. So that is why the definition for Vyala what is given? Sarpe, no, definition. Dastum Vedati iti. Dastum Vedati iti. I will write later. Dastum Vedati iti. Veda iti, there is a dhatu, Vedati. So, Ladayor Abedat Vyalaha. There is no difference between la and da. These Vyakaranas, grammarians have given some permissions like this. Ralayor abhedaha. Ra, la. Ra and la can be interchanged. Now it says radayor. This la and da also can be interchanged. Vyala becomes vyada. Vyada is vyala. That is what. So dastum, to bite, vedati iti. That which tries to attack or bite is called vyala. This is applicable more in the sense, in the case of the serpent, Srinivas, not in the case of the dushta gaja. Dushta gaja is dushta gaja. Dustascha asau gajascha. Sarpaha, we have already noted the derivation. Sarpati iti sarpaha, that which crawls. Already we have seen that derivation. Sarpati iti sarpaha, bhujangaha sarpaha. We have seen already. So that goes there. Next, mrunalam is there.
Yeah, mrunalam.
Bisam. There are only two words, synonymous words here. केवलं पर्याय पदद्वयम् अस्ति, एकं मृणालम् अस्ति. मृणालम् इति पदस्य विवरणं पठतु. मृण्यते, मृण्यते भक्ष्यत इति मृणालम्. मृणहिंसायां, that which is eaten. मृण्यते भक्ष्यत इति, that which is eaten is called mrunala. Then bisam. Visyante usrujyante bhakshana samaye tantavo atra. So visyante means usrujyante. Visyante means are left or given out. Usrujyante, left out. Bhakshana samaye, while eating. What are left out while eating? Tantavaha, the fibers. The fibers are left out there. Now I think this interpretation recalls to me, a scholar told me, Nirakshira Viveka Hamsa. Hamsa, you have studied already in some other Subhashita course. Hamsa is supposed to be having that cleverness of separating milk from the water. Like Hamso Yata Kshiram Ivambu Mishram Ananta Shastram Bahuvedittavyam Bhavascha Alpascha Kalo Bhavascha Vigna Yatsara Bhutam Tadupasitavyam Hamso Yatha Kshiram Ivambu Mishram iti kachana ekam subhashitam asti. Tasmin subhashite epi tatra nirakshira vivekatvam vivekaha amsasya eva bhavati iti. That is explained. The swans living in the water, in the lotus ponds, they cut open this lotus stalk. They cut with their beaks and then swallow that this bisa. This is white jelly. It is as white as the milk. While by cutting the stalk of the lotus flower and while eating, gulping that jelly like white jelly like stuff, the swan is very clever in not gulping the water. Because the entire stalk is in water, while eating that, it does not drink even a drop of water, they say. It only eats the jelly, which is jelly, white, totally white, and therefore it is called, it is compared with milk. You understand now? So this was told by one scholar. What is the Nirakshira Viveka of the Hamsa? He said, it is not that you take your milk and keep before the Hamsa and Hamsa will take only the milk and the water will remain. No. Now this is, perfect interpretation is given here. Bisyante usrujyante tantavaha atra. While gulping, eating, the tantu are, the fibers are given, the jelly is perhaps taken from the stalk. That is why it is called bisam. Understand? Next. Tantuhu. Tantu is there. First, what is the tanoti? Not given. Tanoti. Tanyate. Tanyate. Tanu vistare. So tanyate means that which is spread. Tantu means any fiber, this thread also, which spreads. You know, you take any thread, it spreads. It has some elasticity. So tantuhu. Prajatantum, Veda says, Prajatantum ma vyavachhetsihi. In the Upanishad, Satyam vada dharmam chara swadhyayan ma pramadaha, etc. Then there comes Prajatantum ma vyavachhetsihi. Prajatantum, he says. Praja is like a tantu. Is like, so you don't break the line of your lineage. Get married and produce children. That is the meaning. See, Prajayai Gruhamedhinam, Kalidasa also says, our people married, ancient, that was the idea, Prajayai, for the sake of children only. Gruhamedhinam, the Suryavamsha kings married not for sense enjoyment, but to produce children, so that they will be the successive heirs of that kingdom. Prajayai Gruhamedhinam. So even the Veda says, Prajatantum ma vyavachhetsihi ma chida iti. Chetum na harasi iti. So that is the same thing here. Tanu is tanoti. Tanu is tare. Then comes sutra. Sutra shabda. Sutriyate sivyate anenava. Sutra to string. Sutra iti dhatu. Sutra means to sting. To string, to stitch up. So, sutriyate means with this it is stitched. Sivyate means also stitched. With this it is stitched. Therefore, it is called sutrayati. That is the latlakara. Sutrayate, latlakara. Dashavagada. Okay. Then tantu is over. Okay. Then khala. We have already come across. This we have already seen, I think, Kala. Anyway, Pisha, Avayave, Pisha, Deepanayam, Pishati. Pishuna is explained. Avayave, Deepanayam, one who kindles, one who forms, to form, kindle, that is the meaning of the Pisha Dhatu. Pisha Avayave Deepanayam. Srinivas, that is written either. Not there in your note, it is missed out. Pishunaha means one who creates quarrel, Srinivas, kindles a quarrel. Pishuna means, any fellow who instigates people. Telltale, what we say, Angla Bhashayam, telltale is Pishuna. So Pishuna, what does he do? He does kindle a kind of quarrel. He goes on telling people unnecessarily. He is a Pishuna. He is basically a Kala. So Pishunaha. Then what is the one?
Sudha.
No. Durjanaha, Dushtaha Janaha, Durjanaha. Kalaha means Khalati iti. Khalati. That also I have not given you in your note. Khala to move. Srinivas, khala means khala to move. Khala also to gather. He gathers unnecessary information about other people. That is what his job. Or he moves into areas where he should not move. In that sense we should understand. Khalati iti khalaha. Khala chalane sanchayecha. This is what the khala dhatu means. What is the next word?
Vajram in the book. Hero Vajrascha Kathyate. Halayudha Koshala. That is also not true.
Yeah, okay, one second. So that is, Pishuna is one who kindles, Pishati iti Pishuna, or etc. Deepanayam. We come to Vajram. This is also Halayudha Kosha. Hiraha. So Halayudha Kosha I have not referred for the derivation, Srinivas. So we will not go to that. Vajra, only we will take as synonyms. Hira, Vajraha, Katyati. It is called Hira and Vajra. Two other synonyms are there for Vajram. Then Sudha, Srinivas.
Yeah. Piyusham
Amrutam Sudha. So these are the three words in Amarakosha.
Yeah. Sudha. Sukhena dhiyate piyate.
Sudha means Sukhena dhiyate piyate. Dhiyate means piyate. Sukhena easily. Easily drunk. It can that which is drunk easily. Sukhena dhiyate piyate iti sudha. Dhet pani. Dhet is the dhatu there, which means to drink. So dhiyate it is given. Sukhena dhiyate. Dhayati. Dhayati is the what you call latlakara Srinivas. Dhayati. Dhet dhayati. Dhiyate is karmani. Dhiyate means piyate. What is the latlakara of piyate? By the way, let me check. You. Pa pibati pibataha pibanti, the dhatu you know. Pibasi pibataha pibatha. Pibami pibavaha pibavaha. That is a very simple verb. Now pibati becomes in karmani prayoga piyati. Piyate piyate piyante, you know. So what I asked you just now? What I asked you? Piyate is passive of pibati. Latlakara I asked you. I only told you. Pibati becomes piyate. So here dhayati, dhet dhatu. Dhayati becomes dhiyati. That is dhayati. Dhet means pane. There is a dhatu by name dhet, which means pane in drinking. But I rarely use it. So dhiyate nobody understands, but piyate. So dhiyate piyate iti sudha. So what? Why su? Su is explained as sukhena. Sukhena dhiyate piyate iti sudha. That which can be drunk easily, comfortably. Next, piyusham.
Piyate iti.
That is very. Pi pane is there na. Pi pane is there. Pa pane is also there. Pa piba is there. Pi is also there. Dirgha. Pi pane. Piyate is drunk again. Therefore it is piyusham. There is how you may. One may have a doubt how sham sha is coming. So piyerushan. There is one. Statement here, Srinivas. Piyerushan. So this pi dhatu get ushan. Ush. So you get piyusha. Piyusham you get. Piya dhatu get usha. Okay, leave it. Then comes amrutam. Very simple interpretation given. Na mrutaha bhavanti anena. By drinking this, people don't become dead. Mrutaha na mrutaha bhavanti anena. Anena, by this. Anena nama amrutena. Anena amrutena. Enam etad amrutam pitva. Anena amrutena janaha mrutaha na bhavanti. People don't die, don't become dead people or don't die by this, by drinking this. Anena panena. Etasya panena. Asya panena iti. So it is called amruta, as we all know. Amruta, if you drink, you become immortal. Like Rahu Ketu. Rahu did. We explained in that. So that is how these are over, Srinivas. Now, Tuman Pratyasya Vidhanas Vishaya we have already noted. Now comes the Abhyasa. Abhyasa Sankhya Shodash. Shashtaha Abhyasaha. Shamyatam. Shashtaha. Shloke Prayuktani Latlakarasya Prathamaika Purusha Vachana Padani Sankalaya Likata. Okay, how many Latlakaras are there? How many lat? Samujrumbate. One. Yeah, Sannahyate. Which one? Ihati. Panchati. That's all. Only these many. You can repeat. Samujrumbate, first line. Second line, Sannahyate. Third line, Ihate. Fourth line, Vanchati. In each line you find one latlakara. Next. Before that, Srinivas, I forgot to tell you last class. I was recollecting similar one, Sundara Pandya. Murkhana drashtavyaha. Sundarapandya poem one we studied recently. Murkha na drashtavyaha. Fools should not be seen, first of all. Sundarapandya says they should not be seen. Drashtavyaschain na taistu saha tishtet. Then he says, okay, if it comes to, in the first case, fool should never be seen. If seen, if you confront a fool, drashtavyaschain na taihi taistu saha tishtet. You should not stay with them. If you come across or if they encounter you, then don't stay with them. Understand? Taistaha drashtavyaschain na taihi tu taihi saha na tishtet. One should not stay with them. Stay in their company. That is understood. Okay, then another. Yadi tishtet. Okay, you have to stay. You can't escape from them. Fools. Yadi tishten na tu kathayet. If you happen to be in their company, na kathayet. One should not speak to them. See the beautiful conditions. He is giving suggestions how to avoid the murkha is the same thing. Kala we are reading, the topic is same. First of all, what he said, Sundarapandya, murkha na drashtavyaha. They should not be seen in the first instance. Yadi drashtavyaha, if I happen to see them, chet na tais saha tishtet. You should not stay in their company if you see them. But even if that is not possible, yadi tishtet, supposing you have to stay in their company, na bhashet, na katayet, sorry, use the word, na bhashet, na katayet, na taisaha, na katayet. No, don't talk with them. Okay, you can't escape that also. You are there, you have seen them, you are staying with them. Now, you can't escape talking. Then how to talk? He says, yadi kathayet, if at all you have to speak, murkhavat kathayet, you speak like him. This I like. Yadi kathayet, murkhavat kathayet. So, murkha na, sandhi is there, visarga, murkha na drashtabhya, drashtabhyaschain na taistu saha kathayet, yadi katayen yadi tishten na tais saha tishtet, yadi tishtet tishten na tu katayet, yadi katayet murkhavat katayet. So one should speak like a fool with fools. So this poem I wanted to bring in here because it is relevant. Now we go to second point here. Sloke prayuktani tumunantani padani. That you can see. First line, rodhum. Rodhum. Mrudadatu. Chetum. Rachayitum. Third line, rachayitum. Fourth line also. Each line we find one very good usage. Netum. See, beautifully. Chatvari tumunantani chatra padani santi. Rodhum, chetum, rachayitum, netum. So we have already seen the analysis of this. Third amsha, Trutiya Bahuvachana Rupani, Sloke. Trutiya Bahuvachana. Okay. No. Bala Mrunala Tantubihi. Tantubihi is one. Second line, Sirisha Kusuma Prantena, 1, 2. Madhubinduna, 4, 3. Isn't it? So each line you are getting one. One more in the same line. Madhubinduna, Ksharambude. No, not that. Sudhasyandibihi. Last one. So each line you have one. Tantubihi, Prantena, Kusuma Prantena. Third line, Madhubinduna. Fourth line, Sudhasyandibihi. Evam prakarena chatvari tatra padani trutiyanta bahuvachana rupani santi. Fourth amsha, Madhurnisthana padanam lingam sanyojayata. Now there is some mistake here, I feel. Khalan pullinga. Fine. Vyalam pullinga. Vyalo. Just now we have seen in the question here. Vyalaha. Immediately previously. You can check up 41.
Yeah,
Kosha. Pullinga. Vyalaha is Pullinga. So Pullinga you can align. Vajramanim Pullinga. Mani Shabda is Pullinga. Then Madhuryam Napumsakalinga. Bala Mrunala Tantubihi. Now for this all Pullinga. It is Tantu is Pullinga. Nowhere it is given. Madhubinduna is also Pullinga. Unnecessarily Strilinga is given here. Wait a minute. Tantu. Tantu could be Strilinga. This sometimes it bothers even us. Let us check Tantu. It could be Ukaranta Strilinga or what? It could be Trilingaka also. Tantu is Pullinga only. Srinivas? Tantu Pullinga eva asti, Pullinga eva asti. Pullinga sarvatra. There is no Strilinga given to that also. So where is Strilinga to be attached now? Madhuryam is Napumsaka. Bindu is Binduhu, Bindu, Bindavaha, Pullinga. So anyway, you have to adjust. Now we will just wind up this. Khalan Pullinga, Vyalam Pullinga, Vajramani is Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, no, Pullinga. Then Madhuryam Napumsakalinga, Bala Mrunala Tantubi Pullinga, Madhubinduna Pullinga. Bindu Shabda. Next. What is next, Srinivas? Just take it.
Vigraha Vakyani Likhata. Shirisha Kusuma Prantaha. Shirisha Kusumasya Prantaha. Vakula Pushpa Surabihi. Vakula Pushpasya Surabihi.
Yeah.
Parvata Saundaryam. Parvatasya
Saundaryam. Vakula, Bakula. There are two variations. Vabayor Aveda. Ravindra we say, Bengali say Rabindro. So there also this comes. Rabhayor Avedaha, Ladayor Avedaha, Ralayor Avedaha. So many sanctions are given. So here Vabayor Aveda. Vabayoho Aveda. No difference between Vakara and Vikara or Bengalis are Pramana. Rabindro, they will never say Ravindra. They will say Rabindro. So that is it. So Vakula, Bakula, it is there. Bakula is a plant, Mimisops elengi, botanical name. Mimisops elengi, Bakula tree. So Vakula Pushpa Surabihi. Vakulasya Pushpa Surabihi. The fragrance of this Vakula. Telugu Bhashayam Pogada Chettu. Pogada. Etad Padamasti. Okay. Shashtamsha. Srinivas Sandhim Vichidya Likhat. Hare Ussavaha. Done. Harehe Ussava. Muner Upastitihi. Visarga. Kaveraradhanam. Rusherashramaha. Rushehe. Sarvatra ka vibhaktihi. Vibhaktihi ka atra. Harehe. षष्ठी अस्ति खलु हरिशब्दस्य षष्ठी हरेः हरेः मुनेः कवेः ऋषेः इकारान्त शब्दत्रयं ऋकारान्त शब्दः एकः अस्ति अन्ते ऋषि ऋषेः ऋषिः सर्वे तत्र इकारान्त शब्दः एव क्षम्यतां सर्वे इकारान्तः हरिः मुनिः कविः ऋषिः इदानीं सन्धिं कृत्वा नामलेखनम् ओके मुनेः आज्ञा मुनेराज्ञा विसर्गस्य रेफादेश मुनेराज्ञा कवेरध्ययनं 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 हरेः आराधनं हरेराराधनं सो दट इज सिंपल ओनली इदानीम् अष्टम अंशः अष्टमांशः रेखाङ्कितपदस्य अधः पर्यायपदम् उपयुज्य वाक्यं लिखतु ओके असौ व्यालं रोद्धुं समुज्जृम्भते दिस फेलो ट्राइज टू arrest an elephant it means we have already seen now what is the down there roddhum niyantum another word niyantum there is not there in kosha I think in this bhavartha it may be there niyantum shabda vashikartum is there yeah what is that nigrahitum vashikartum also you can say so asau vyalam vashikartum samujrumbate then asau vyalam nigrahitum vashikartum nigrahitum niyantum anything better I think since it is there vashikartum nigrahitum to control asau vyalam nigrahitum samujrumbate oh before that we have to write this kosha kosha must be written it even this can be written out okay okay then fourth Sirisha Kusuma Prantena Vajramanim Chetum Samar now Chetum Vajramani Paryaya Padas he wants Sirisha Kusuma Prantena Hiram Hira Shabda Hiram Chetum Sannahe Sirisha Kusuma Prantena Hirakam Hira and Hirakam Chetum Sannahyati Prayatati so here Hiram Hirakam above Nigrahitum and Vashikartum then ninth Navamamshaha Viseshana Viseshya only two Sudha Syandibihi Suktaihi Vachanaihi Maduraihi that's very simple Dashamamsha Kostaka Samuchitam Uttaram okay Asau Vyalam Samujrumbati Roddhum Samujrumbati Yeshaha dash Chetum Sannahyati Vajramanim Yeshaha Vajramanim Chetum Sannahyati Saha Madhuryam Tyaktum Ganaitum Rachayitum Kim Rachayitum Ante dash Satam Patinetum Vanchati Khalan Satam Patinetum Vanchati so answers Roddhum Vajramanim Rachayitum Khalan iti Kostakas Svikarani Samichinam Asamichinam Asau Vyalam Tyaktum Samujrumbate Samichinam Asamichinam wrong Vajramanim Chetum Sannahyati right Samichinam Sharambudehe Lavanyam Rachayitum Ihati Asamichinam Lavanyam na Rachayitum Madhuryam Rachayitum Madhubinduna Madhuryam Rachayitum Ihati Satyam Samichinam oh Dwadasha Bahava Amshaha Santiyata Shabda Rupani Purayata Gajam Gaja Pullinga Shabdaha Gajaha Gajam iti Dvitiyantam Gajau इदानीं प्रथमतः आगच्छतु अधः गजः गजौ गजं गजान् गजः गजौ गजाः देवः देवौ देवाः देवं देवौ देवान् गजं गजौ गजान् बालं बालान् तन्तुना का विभक्ति अत्र तृतीया कथं कविना गुरुणा इति उकारान्त तन्तुना तन्तुभ्यां माधुर्यं नपुंसक नपुंसकलिंग शब्दः अतः वनं वने वनानि माधुर्यं माधुर्ये माधुर्याणि सतः तकारांत सन शब्द सप्त सन संतौ संतः तकारांत सन संतौ न न न सन संतौ संतः संतं संतौ सतः सता सद्भ्यां सद्भिः सते सद्भ्यां सद्भ्यः सतः सद्भ्यां सद्भ्यः सतः सतोः सतां सति सतोः सत्सु
can be Panchami or
Panchami or Shashti. This is Shashti. Satah Satoho Satam. Atah Satah Sadbyam Sadbhyah. It could be Panchami as you said or Shashti. But Shashti will take Satah Satoho Satam. Satam Pathe Satpatam. Satam Patah. Pantaha is Satpanta. Suktena Trutiya. Suktena Suktibhyam Suktibhihi. Suktena Suktibhyam Suktibihi. Suktamiti Akaranta Napumsakalingam. Suktamiti Napumsakam asti. Suktihi iti Ikaranta Srilingaha Shabdaha Bhinnaha.
Suktena is usually Pullinga or Napumsaka.
This is Napumsaka Trutiya. Sarvani Napumsaka Linga
Even Pullinga
Padani.
Pullinga Trutiya also can be said.
Yeah, you know that. You should know that all Sarvani Tatra Napumsaka Padani Yavanti Santi Tani Sarvani Pratama Dvitiya Pratamayam Dvitiyayam Pullinga Bhinnani Santi. Trutiyataha from third case Saptami Paryantam Pullingavat Bhavanti. They are just like Pullinga Shabda only. Third to you take Vana Shabda Vanena, Devaya Vanaya, Devat Vanat, Devasya Vanasya, Deve Vane. So Suktena, Suktabhyam, Suktaihi, Suktaya, Suktabhyam, Suktebhyah, Suktat, Suktabhyam, Suktebhyah, Suktasya, Suktayoho, Suktanam, Sukte, Suktayoho, Sukteshu. Just like Vana Shabda it goes. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Shardula Vikridite Vrutte Gnatapuram Ekam. So I have taken the sloka which is not given anything. Keyurana Vibhushayanti Purusham Harana Chandrojvalaha Na Snanam Na Vilepanam Na Kusumam Na Alankrita Murdhajaha Vanyeka Samalankaroti Purusham Ya Samskruta Dharyati Kshiyante Khalu Bhushanani Satatam Vagbhushanam Bhushanam Iti Yaha Slokaha Asti. Ayam Slokaha Abhi Mahakavehe Bhartuharehe Eva Tatra Asti. So that is also Shardula Vikridita Sloka. Slokasya Saramsham Samskrita Bhashaya Likata. अहम पठामि अनन्तरं लिखामि आगामी कक्षायां लेखनं सर्वं सम्पत्स्यते यः पुरुषः अमृततुल्यैः सूक्तैः दुष्टान् सन्मार्गे नेतुम् आनेतुं प्रापयितुं वाञ्छति तादृशः पुरुषः कोमलस्य मृणालस्य सूत्रैः दुष्टगजं नियन्तुं कृतोत्साहः भवति शिरीष नामक पुष्पस्य अतिकोमल पुष्पस्य अग्रभागेन प्रान्तेन अग्रभागेन वज्रमणिं छेत्तुं प्रयतते एकेनैव मधु बिन्दुना लवणसमुद्रस्य माधुर्यम् अथवा मधुरतां सम्पादयितुम् इच्छति. Now this is the summary. We will do it in next class. Shubham Bhuyat.